guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonancysilvia, but you guys can just call me Nancy. So for today's video, I wanted to do my house tour video. I'm not feeling very well. I'm just kind of getting over a cold. So if my voice kind of sounds weird, I'm sorry about that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I kind of want to give you guys a background story to how we ended up here. So in my get ready video, I told you guys why we were moving. So now let's tell you what happened. So when we got the opportunity to move, it was because husband's older sister got a new house. And with that house, it had a guest house or like a small house. So we ended up moving with them. But at first we didn't know we were going to move in with them because their price range was a little bit higher than what we wanted to pay for. But eventually we kind of like met at the middle. It's a very cute house. I love living here. It is small. It's not big. Think about it like a small apartment. It's like a one-bedroom apartment. So she does share our room. Eventually we're gonna want to move, you know, once she gets older. But for right now, it kind of fits into our budget now. So I just wanted to share this part with you guys. I hope you guys like videos like this, like getting to know me videos. I know that it isn't a typical beauty channel, but I kind of wanted to be more involved, or I wanted you guys to know more about me as a person than just kind of seeing my beauty channel. Let's go ahead and get into the house tour. So when you first come into my house, that is what it looks like. Alright, and then that is our recyclable bin, and then we have a little playground for our baby, and those are her party balloons. Alright, and that is our like front yard. Alright, so let's go ahead and go on in. So when you first walk into the house, you're gonna see this. This is where my books are. Down there is my makeup and other stuff we need for the household, and then our shoes. And over there. So the lighting in here isn't great, and I'm sorry about that, but there's not much I can do about that. So then when you come in, and this is on the other side. So we have two TVs up there. One, which is that one on the far. That one is when we play video games. So that's hooked up to all the PS3 and the PS4. And then, this one is our Netflix TV. It's like a smart TV, but it only plays Netflix on it. And then on that corner is my baby's toys and such. Yeah, she has a lot of them. And then over here, you guys know that couch because that is where I did the intro and where I do most of my videos. So looking up on there is some pictures. So going over there is my desk. That is where my computer, some books that I'm reading right now, and my pump is. I'm trying to right now quit pumping, so yeah. And then right there is usually where I sit, and then my husband usually sits right there when we're watching TV. This is Cookie. This is my daughter's dog, but it actually lives with my mom. Until she's a little bit older, until we move out or find like a bigger place, we'll keep him. But for now, he kind of stays with my mom. And that's Cookie. Alright, so we just bought this chair for our daughter because she really likes it. She really liked it when she first saw it. So that is where she sits, if she sits. And then over there is where our computer is. And then this is the island. Alright, and then going on this way is the kitchen. And this is where we hang up our keys. And then there's some balloons, her birthday balloons. Alright, so these remotes control the AC. Right now the AC is off, but I love it to be when it's cold. Over here is our pantries up there. Baby's bottles. And right now I'm in the middle of cooking dinner. And then over here's the sink, and then more cabinets up there, more cabinets up there, And then more down there. And this is where we make her milk. And then my husband's coffee. And then kitchen supplies, you know, the usual. And then this is our stove. And then the microwave is up there. The little Christmas decoration. I thought it looked very cute, so I haven't taken it down. Okay. And then over here is more cabinets. Our refrigerator. If you guys want to see how that looks. Alright, right now it's pretty messy, but this is how it looks on a day-to-day basis. Alright, that is our fridge, and then right here is our bulletin board. So this is where we write kind of the important dates. So we're in the month of March, and yeah, you kind of see it right now. It is Wednesday, so it's Wednesday the 7th. And then yeah, last off it was the bedroom. So this is my daughter's crib. Right now it's pretty much storage because she currently sleeps with us. So that is her crib. And now we have her high chair where she eats. We don't have somewhere to put it, so we just put it in that corner because we're barely ever in a room unless we're gonna go to bed. And then this is where our baby's dresser. So it has all her little clothes in there and her diapers. And then over here is our dresser. This is kind of more for like underwear, pajama bottoms, and tops. So that is what it's for. And then her shoes are up on there, and our printer. And then over there is more baby stuff. And then over here it is our closet. So let's go on in. So basically it is, think about it like a triangle. So here's the peak over here, and then the end sides to it. So my clothes are at the bottom. It's usually pretty organized. So I have it going from like shorts, jeans to leggings. And then my leggings are organized by color, or like by gray and black, because that's usually what I wear. And then it goes from like crop tops to sleeves to long sleeves to sweaters to dresses. I don't really wear dresses, but they're there. Up here is Trevor's side. So Trevor's work clothes are always at the front because that's what he wears. And then his jeans are on this end. And all the way over there are his sweaters and like casual shirts. And then let's go ahead and open on this side. And then over here is our hamper. So that's how it looks like. It's really deep. And then down there is like extra bedding and towels and extra stuff. Alright, and then going on to this side, there is a hamper. Right now it has a hats in it, but that's the baby's hamper. And right now we have a humidifier because we're all sick. So when they did this space, that was intended to be like a TV place, but instead we just kind of put little knickknacks on it because our TVs are outside and we don't watch TV in the bedroom. Alright, going up in there, up there are my drawing kits and my coloring kits up on there. Alright, and that's the AC unit. And then going down, that is the baby swing. This is where she takes naps. But also it's a sand machine for at night when she sleeps with us. Alright, over here is our Cali king size bed. Nothing fancy about it. And then our towels. Well, it's actually the baby's towels and my towel. And then this is our little like bookshelf There's not much on it other than baby stuff because she gets into it and she'd mess everything up. So that is how that looks. Okay, so going on over here is our bathroom, and it's very small, but it does its job. Alright, so when you walk in, you see the sink, and then I have a little orchid. It's fake. A little candle, some hand soap, little Christmas decoration that I like, so I'm not taking it down. Our toothbrushes, and then me right there. And then over here, this is the medicine cabinet. So we have all the baby medicine and our medicine, and then right there is my husband's stuff. He doesn't usually use that much room, so he gets the least space in the bathroom. I feel like guys are just like kind of get it done. So then this is my hardtop drawer, so my face masks are in there, and like brush, and then my hair iron. And then over here are like spares. So we have extra toothpaste, extra brushes, more Q-tips, cotton balls, the cotton pads, hair brushes, extra everything is in there. And then this is our shower, so I use a loofah. And then baby soaps. Up there are our shower things. Alright. And then baby stuff. Over here has more like hiding department. So this is where the baby stuff goes. And then right there are all her wipes. So we found a place for them. Right over here, it is my stuff. So up there I have nail polishes, perfumes, hair stuff, hair products, more hair products, and then all my masks down there. Some lotion, some perfumes. I used to have a lot of nail polish, but then I just got rid of it because I don't paint my nails anymore. Because now I just kind of get them done when I want my nails to be done. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. That was my house. I hope you liked this video, so please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below any suggestions you guys have or any comments that you guys have about my house. I look forward to reading those comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I wanted to make a quick announcement. I chose the winner for my giveaway, so I'll be posting their name down below. I'll be posting their name on that picture and also DMing them. I'm sorry for the people that didn't win, but there will be more giveaways, so don't be discouraged. Alright guys, well, I'll see you guys later.